What you see before you is a real specimen of subcutaneous fat. This curry-like tissue is composed of fat cells. So how are they formed? Watch the video to understand why you keep gaining weight. When you take a bite of delicious food, your teeth and tongue chew and mix it, and the salivary amylase starts to break it down. Once it forms a bolus, it is swallowed and pushed into the digestive tract through muscle contractions. Next, the bolus enters the stomach through the pylorus. At this point, the gastric glands produce gastric juice that vigorously churns to mix and digest the food, breaking it down into chyme, which is easier to absorb. This chyme is then sent to the intestines. After 8 hours of fine processing, the intestinal enzymes decompose the chyme into various nutrients needed by the body, which are then transported throughout the body via the villi on the inner wall of the small intestine, used for energy, growth, and cell repair. If the total energy you consume daily is less than the total energy you intake daily, the excess energy will be stored in fat cells in the form of triglycerides, resembling oil droplets. As you eat more and more, the fat cells will continuously expand, creating a thick layer of subcutaneous fat, making you look like a balloon. Since you have found the cause of obesity, how can you metabolize the fat? There are two simple methods: starvation and breathing. Starvation simply means not eating. When the body is in a state of hunger, the cerebral cortex receives hunger signals. The nervous system then sends a command to the hunger center to initiate eating. If you can resist eating at this moment, your brain will first consume blood sugar to maintain the body's balance. When blood sugar levels are too low to supply the body's energy needs, the brain will quickly mobilize glycogen to break down previously stored fat cells to meet the body's energy needs. The second method is the breathing method, whose core is exercise. When your body moves, the frequent inhalation of oxygen will start to burn the stored fat. This process will completely break down triglycerides, generating water, carbon dioxide, and other gases. The carbon dioxide then travels through the bloodstream to the lungs, where it is exchanged for gases in the alveolar capillaries, finally expelling the fat through breathing. One crucial point to remember: if your body does not move and you are just sweating, you will not expel fat but will only lose water. In conclusion, remember these 6 words from Lao Ji: control your mouth, move your legs. If you can stick to this, you will succeed.